Bochi dance by Sainrita Sangam Group. And the participants, the dancers will be Tanamala Banes, Ipsita Moapatra, Jaita Sen, Zinnia Roy, and Sunita Bansal.
Halia, halia, Please, thank you, thank you. I can't thank you. Thanks, Narayani, their guru. Thank you. Thank you so much. So I have to say the Kuch Rajbangsis are the community who are spread in basically western part of Assam, like Gwalpara, Dhubri, and then also they are in Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal. So what we are actually we were there, Hans and me, last year. We are working over there with some artists and artisans. So that's how I had an idea that we want to show something from them, especially again, we could not bring the musicians, but we thought the dance, but I couldn't have anybody, but I thought of Narayani because of course he's a classical dancer and they are all classical dancers, Odissi dancers. So I requested, again, we didn't have the costume actually because the Koch Rajbangsi from wherever, they often wear yellow and green saris. I have some in the handloom handicraft, but I couldn't get for everybody. But it is amazing what you did. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.